Somebody asked, one of the Talmidim in WebYeshiva wanted to know what the proper response for Birkat Cohanim in the Shemona Esrei is if there are no Kohanim in Shul, in the synagogue. And of course this is very complicated. The whole topic of Birkat Cohanim is a complicated topic, but I wanted to just try to answer the question that he asked. If there are no Kohanim in Shul, then the minhag is that the Shaliach Tzibur says Birkat Cohanim. Yivarechecha Hashem v'yishmerecha. After that, actually there are various minhagim about the introduction to the Birkat Cohanim, what exactly the Shaliach Tzibur says and what he omits. But after each of the brachot, after each of the three brachot, there seems to be a kind of variety of responses. Some people say Amen, and some people say Ken Yehi Ratzon, which is similar to saying Amen, except that usually we say Amen to a bracha, and in this case no bracha is being said. And the third possibility is to say both, to say Amen and Ken Yehi Ratzon. What should we do? So, of course, the problem is discussed in the Rishonim with saying Amen is that somehow it implies that the bracha has actually been said. The Yivarecha Hashem v'yishmerecha. Whereas, in fact, it hasn't been said. It's only been alluded to, so to speak, by the Shaliach Tzibur, by the Chazan. And so even though the Birkat Cohanim is not being said, the words of Birkat Cohanim are being said, and those words don't really demand a response of a bracha. And so if you don't say Amen, that makes sense. On the other hand, it was felt that some sort of response, since when you do say Birkat Cohanim with Kohanim, you say Amen. It was felt that maybe you should say Amen, and then Ken Yehi Ratzon is similar, etc. But finally, I would say that if a person dabbles in a shul regularly, whatever the minhag is in that shul, that's the minhag that you should follow, because essentially it doesn't make any difference if you say Amen, or if you say Ken Yehi Ratzon, or if you say Amen, Ken Yehi Ratzon. So you should follow the minhag, which is customary, which is the custom of the shul in which you daven.